Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Propy for online property transactions step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Propy website. Once on the home page, look for the login or sign up button. If you already have an account, click on the login button and enter your credentials. If you are new to Propy, click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Propy website and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. To start a property transaction, click on the Create a Property Listing button. Fill in the property's details, including address, price, and any additional features. Upload high-quality images of the property to enhance your listing. Review the listing for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, click the Publish Listing button to make it live. Next, navigate to the Transactions tab to initiate a new transaction. Select the property you want to transact and proceed to the next steps. Fill in the buyer's information and any necessary transaction details. Review the transaction summary before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Send for Signature button. Ensure all parties involved receive the document for review and signature. Monitor the transaction status through the dashboard until completion. Once the transaction is finalized, download or save any relevant documents for your records. Congratulations, you have successfully connected with Propy for online property transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.